Today we're unboxing Lovevery's The Inspector Play Kit for 7 to 8 month olds. Let's get started. Hey beautiful souls, my name is Christina Marie, wife to Cody Scott and mother to an 8-month-old named Atticus Bay. When we received the Inspector Kit, we couldn't wait to open it up. Our family had such a great experience with the Sensor Play Kit, and we knew we would enjoy what we received. If you haven't watched our experience with the Sensor Play Kit, you can click here to see how Atticus developed using this kit from his 5th to 6th month. At about 7 to 8 months, your child may be able to hold their balance a bit longer than before, giving them a chance to focus on the details around them, hence the name The Inspector. Atticus just loves looking at the details on blankets, rugs, tables, and even his own clothes. He's amazed at how much there is to experience, and I'm super excited to guide him on his learning journey. I just want to mention that I'm not a Lovevery affiliate, and I am not getting paid to make this review, and this video is not sponsored by Lovevery. Our family has chosen the Lovevery Play Kit subscription model over the other options because Lovevery works with a team of experts in fields such as masters in occupational therapy, psychologists, authors, professors, and other educators, such as previous Montessori school owners and doctors focused on cognitive development, as well as learning developmental professionals. I'll leave a link in the description for you to review the information for yourself. This kit comes with the Things I See texture cards, My First Signs board book, stacking drip drop cups, felt and wooden ball set, a treasure basket, a ball drop permanence box, stainless steel open cup, and as always the play guide. This one's for children 7 to 8 months old. Now let's talk about the playthings, the Things I See texture cards. These cards are not only double-sided realistic images, they are textured. One side of each card has a small section with some sort of texture, such as a basketball or knitted hat with real yarn. There's even a little mirror on one of the cards. Your child can start to recognize these real objects around them, such as your house pet, food, or something they will see while interacting with the real world like a balloon. The more you discuss with your baby what they are seeing, the more words they are exposed to. Speaking to your baby at such a young age is important for building neural connections to form their understanding of language and so much more. Speak to them like you would anyone else and save the baby talk for special playful moments. These cards are durable. However, given the opportunity to be sucked on for a while, your child's saliva will damage the corners. My First Signs board book. Speaking of language, you've heard how exposing your child to multiple languages early in life will allow them to obtain those languages much easier than if they were introduced later in life. Well, this My First Signs board book is perfect for teaching the child and the parent correct ASL, or American Sign Language. Inspire your child to communicate with you before they can form words with their fresh little muscles. Sign language is such a visual language. If you're not familiar with ASL, I highly recommend using the videos on the Signing Savvy website. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Familiarizing yourself with words you want your little one to express will help them beat frustration. The sooner your child can communicate, the faster they will sense their independence and start building those incredible human skills. The Stacking Drip Drop Cups. Our family loves playing with these stackable drip drop cups. They are great for bath time, and I even plan on taking them to the pool this summer. The bases on each of these cups have a variety of holes, some on the sides, but most on the bottom, allowing water to pass at different speeds. Your child will enjoy putting objects inside of these cups, and when they are able, they can stack them, knock them down, and stack them up again. I especially enjoy the colorful rims at the top of the cups. Although they have a wave shape, they stand up just fine. I'm looking forward to all the ways Atticus will explore these drip drop cups as he develops. You can also count the cups and show your child how the bigger cup fits over the smaller ones, and the smaller cups fit inside of the bigger cups. The Felt and Wooden Ball Set. My baby loves playing with balls, and these wooden and felt balls fit perfectly in his hands. He enjoys banging them together on the ground or on other toys and listening to the different sounds they make. You can just see the gears at work when he goes back and forth between the lack of sound using the felt balls versus the bang of the wooden balls. Even our husky starts to play with his balls when we explore these wooden and felt balls from Lovevery, my little scientist. The Treasure Basket. The balls are kept in the treasure basket from Lovevery. This treasure basket is great for your child to discover objects that are different, similar, or objects from nature or the kitchen. There's really no limit to what objects you can provide for your little one to explore. Just be sure to supervise your babe. The felt and wooden balls are a great introduction to geometry, which brings me to my next plaything. Find a friend puzzle. Lovevery included a puzzle in the Inspector Play Kit for children 7 to 8 months, which is simply perfect timing. I don't know about your child, but my baby is all about the details at this age. When he found the image of a child's face staring back at him from underneath the rubber circle, he was certainly drawn to it. The circled knob covering the image is rubber, which is great if your baby is still teething like my little guy. The puzzle also develops his problem-solving capabilities and his fine motor skills as he masters taking the puzzle piece out using the knob. While working at the Montessori preschool here in Wilmington, North Carolina, the children used wooden insets in the toddler room, and as they progressed, they started to use metal insets, the ball drop permanence box. Another excellent Montessori-inspired work or plaything from Lovevery is the ball drop permanence box. Typically, you will see these boxes with red paint. However, I am loving this bright yellow color. As a parent, it is difficult to watch your child attempt these kinds of works over and over unsuccessfully. But don't be discouraged. All the time they are spending figuring it out on their own will help them accomplish whatever they put their mind to in the future. Just observe and guide them as needed. My son, on the other hand, has managed to get the ball in the hole on the first attempt. Totally kidding. When he does see the balls reappear, it's absolute magic. I'm really excited to continue to receive our play kits. In the Thinker Play Kit for children 11 to 12 months, Atticus will be able to work with a sliding drop box. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for your support so far. If you're interested in following Atticus's development, consider subscribing to our channel. But for now, let's get back to the play kit because we're almost done. The stainless steel open cup. The play guide mentions introducing this item last. However, it was probably the first thing I wanted to introduce, so I did. The result was amazing. After I read in the play guide, speech pathologists prefer babies to use open cups when possible, as they help babies build the muscles in the mouth that are used to form sounds. Lovevery and lesson drooling. I thought, shoot, let's start this right out of the gate, since it's great for forming words later in life and will help with independence. As an infant, he never really did take to the bottle, so I knew he would manage effortlessly, and boy was I right. Atticus was so excited to help himself to a drink, and although he may dump it on himself or get frustrated at times, it's worth it to watch him master this skill. It takes quite a lot of coordination to bring a cup to your lips and then drink it successfully, even as an adult sometimes. So, be patient with your little ones. My husband and I always supervise our child, as Lovevery suggests. And finally, the play guide. The play guides are helpful tools paired with each and every kit. It covers care instructions for the products and creative ways to incorporate the objects in everyday life to help your baby explore the world around them. Not only are the activities fun, but they are developmentally appropriate for your child's age. I truly appreciate the time and energy that Lovevery puts into developing and improving the playthings in their kits in order to give little ones, like my son, a well-balanced developmental journey. If you're concerned about your child's progress, they've even added a section that says your baby may be able to, say, put things in their mouth, or suggest what you can provide, such as a room they can explore that has been baby-proofed. They even go as far as to suggest things to give yourself. In this play guide, they suggest a treat that's just for you. The team at Lovevery is thoughtful enough to remind parents that it's okay to bring up any concerns they may have about their child's development with their pediatrician. They even tell you to be persistent if you didn't get the answer you were looking for. If you haven't downloaded the Lovevery app, I highly suggest it, as they provide great information and suggest ways to play with your baby daily. If you'd like to pick up your very own Inspector Play Kit from Lovevery, I've added a link in the description for you. I hope the playthings from Lovevery bring joy to you and your family and allow your child to develop well too. If you like this video, please leave a comment below with the nickname that you've chosen for your baby. I often call my little guy Addie. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't done so already. Your support helps our family make these helpful videos and help other families get the information they're looking for as well. I appreciate your time today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.